With your inventory types set up, the next step is to create categories to further organize your data. Navigate to the Quick key. Then go to Admin and click on Categories option. Start by setting up customer categories to segment clients by their needs, such as short-term or long-term rentals, or even by rental history, like reliable or high-risk clients. You can also create booking categories, such as flexible or non-flexible. Next, categorize invoices by type, for example, toll invoices, SMS invoices, and more. Likewise, set up categories for your inventory, like four-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, or sedan. Usage category can be valuable if your website is integrated with our platform. For more information on integration, please contact our support team.